Assalamualaikum. Hello and very good morning to my dear lovely students. How are you all? I hope you are doing good at home and you are safe at home. I am your teacher, Miss Anam Iftikhar from the Smart School Sir Sayyidaba Khan campuses and Gulistani Johor campus. I am here to teach you English of class nursery. So kids, we are going to start our English class. But before starting the class, what we supposed to do? We will sing our ABC song together. Now you are ready for the ABC song. Let's start it together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, would you sing with me? Clap for yourself. Well done. So, first we are going to revise all the previous sounds. So, here are the sounds we have done before. So, let's start the revision of the sounds. Now, as you all know, which sound is this, kids? A. Yes, apple. Very good. Now, which sound is this? B. Ball. Well done. Okay, which sound is this? Cake. Wow, yummy cake. Now, which sound is this, kids? Door. Well done. Okay, which sound is this? Elephant. Well done. Okay. Now, which sound is this? Sound fan. Very good. Which sound is this? Goat. Well done. Which sound is this? Hat. Very good. Let's repeat it one last time. Well done, kids. So we have done the revision of the previous sounds. Now I will tell you one new sound. I will learn more about the new sound and how we learn how to write the sound. Let's start our English class. Let's start our introduction of a new sound. Okay, kids, can you see? Which sound is this? What is this? You all surely love to eat it. What is this? This is yummy ice cream. Yummy ice cream. Yes. Eat ice cream. Eat ice cream. Well done. Now, can you know what is this? This is igloo. Igloo. And what is the beginning sound of igloo? Igloo. Igloo. Let's repeat it. Eat ice cream. Eat igloo. Eat ice cream. Eat igloo. Well done, kids. And we have more vocabulary with the beginning sound E. That is island, ink pot. Can you look at here? These are the 4 lines. I will show you how to write sound E in between these 4 lines. Okay, kids. Can you see this starting dot over here? This is your initial dot. Put your pencil over here. I have to start from the second line. First line, second line. We will start from the second line. Come down and make a tick. Okay, and put a dot over here. This is sound E. Come down and make a tick. And put a dot over here. This is sound E. Come down, make a tick and put dot over here. This is sound E. tick and put dot over here. This is sound E. E. Ice cream. E. Igloo. Okay kids, I hope you learned a new sound very well. So as we are done with the introduction of a new sound, let's come with me. I will show you how you can write your homework in your workbook and in your copy. Let's come with me. Okay kids, now it's time to do your homework. And you have to do your homework in your language workbook on page number 21 and 22. And can you tell me which sound is this? Yes, this is sound E. E. Come down and make a tick. And E as a dot. E as a dot. Okay, now you have to color in these pictures. You have to trace this hollow sound. On next page, you have to trace this hollow sound. This is sound E. E, igloo. Now, do these lines. Trace this first, then write sound E in between these two lines. You have to focus the formation and the line pattern. You have to do in your book. Okay kids, this was it for today. We will meet in next video inshallah. You have to take care of yourself and your family. Bye bye.